Hi everybody, I'm Mike, and this is Bubba's Workbench. Welcome to 2018. Hope everybody's having an awesome new year. Today is January 17th, and 2017 was pretty good for me. I would say I was starting to have great growth, a lot of positive things were happening, and then it hit December and everything kind of came to a screeching halt. And mostly personal reasons. I won't really get into that. So now here we are, it's January, and I still haven't been able to get myself back on track. I'm having that difficulty with motivation that I'm sure many of us face in our lives. And then to make things even more depressing, YouTube has just lowered their requirements. Excuse me. YouTube has increased their requirements to be considered a YouTube partner, and which allows you to get monetization. Well, of course, I don't meet the criteria, as well as quite a few other people. The requirements are pretty strict. I mean, I'm not sure if you're aware of this or not. There's a lot of videos that go into greater detail. I'm not going to really discuss that. I'm pretty upset over it. Upset to the point that I'm even considering just going into the my YouTube channel there and hitting delete. That's how serious and much it's affected me. And all I will say why it's pretty depressing is that while I wasn't making any money, there's money being generated, but you have to hit a certain amount before you actually get a check. And I have received one check so far in the time I've been on YouTube making videos. And it is great. It's an empowering feeling. And for me, it was a metric. Watching the AdSense grow, the faster it grows, then you know more people are watching your videos. And that's positive because that's the goal, is you want people to see the videos. Yes, you want subscribers, but on the money side of things, the monetization is the views. Because a lot of people watch videos and never subscribe to that channel. I think that happens more so than it doesn't. Subscribers, you look at them as like your followers, your dedicated viewers. And that's who we're ultimately catering to, of course. As far as what I'm catering to is the people who say who subscribe to my video, means they're interested in what I have to say. That makes a person feel pretty good, So watching the number increase, as I said, the monetization, that's like positive reinforcement that you're doing a good job. Attaboy, kind of thing. Well, you take that away, then you really don't have any metric whatsoever, other than you're doing everything you can to hit this goal, which they raise the bar pretty high. That's going to be difficult for anybody to achieve who's just starting out. Which is kind of ironic too, because the videos that do get all the attention are the shock value kind of videos. And they claim in all of this is what they're trying to prevent, is disgusting videos. If you're anybody who watches YouTube to any degree, you know who Logan Paul is and about this controversy. Well, everyone says, or at least YouTube claims, and a lot of people who are pretty connected to YouTube claim, that has nothing to do with it, but I completely disagree. It has everything to do with that incident, based on the fact that YouTube themselves have been losing a lot of money. Since last year, there was prior incidences with another big-time YouTuber, PewDiePie, you may be aware of, and there's even other incidents that happen in YouTube where companies who pay YouTube for their ads to be displayed are pulling out, saying, we don't want to be part of this at all, because they don't want to risk the chance that their product is showcased on a video they don't approve of. And they have every right to. Well, because of that, more and more companies keep doing that. Well, then YouTube is making less money as well. So everybody is affected globally in the YouTube community. But this just seems really uncalled for. Like, it's not necessary, because once again, like I was saying, you don't really make that much money, so it's not costing them anything. The money is just sitting in some little account somewhere until I hit that magic number of $100 before they even send you any money. Well, as they stated in their thing, many channels can take over a year to get that. But anyhow, that said and done, I think I'm going to keep going forward. It's a real blow to the ego and to the motivation. You're working so hard, and if you have never made a YouTube video to any degree, a lot of people don't realize what it really takes. You're making little mini movies, is the best way to put it. You're directing, you're writing, you're acting, you're having to do all these things, and it's a lot of work, and you're a one-man show. Obviously, you get bigger, people have crews that help them out, but that's when you've got like millions of subscribers and this and that. I'm just a little guy in my shop, my home garage shop. So I have tried over the course of the year to reach out to companies and trying to get support in any way, shape, or form. For one, to help grow the channel, And I mean, it will help them out. No matter what, they're going to benefit. Of course, me being able to get free product. Who doesn't want free product? To the point where then you can actually get companies to pay you to make videos. But I'm trying to stay away from that whole looking like I'm on this just for money. That wasn't my original intention. Yet it's nice to have something that's self-supporting has always been my goal. If it can support itself, that's perfect. Anyways, so I do have one product that a company sent me, and so I am obligated to make a video of that. And I'm probably going to make 2 videos of it. So I'm going to work on that, and what I'm hoping is by doing that, when you get into the process, it's really fun and quite enjoyable to make these videos. So I need to rekindle that fire and motivation to keep working so hard at this. This is a huge blow that YouTube's doing, and it's nuts. But anyways, so I'm going to work on that video, that's for sure. And in my last update, not too much has changed since then. Some of the same projects I mentioned then, I still need to work on. So we got to get ourselves back on track, and let's get this channel re-railed, since I'm pretty much derailed at the moment. Let's get it re-railed, if that's the term, if that's a word. Anyways, you guys take care.